I have seen everything. But until one day when my eyes couldn't see no more, until one day when I looked at the sea and the trashes choked the shore, until one day instead of tall trees, tall buildings were built, until one day people started to disturb Mother Nature without guilt. Seriously, what happened to our trees? To all the animals and the bees?
Yeah, I didn't just finish this one.
Well, they are all gone because of our greed and pollution. Believe me, this will never lead to happiness. Imagine what will happen to our air if this pollution is seen everywhere.